Subscribe to Mind Body Soul and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Namaste. Welcome to another episode of Wellness with Vibha. I am your host Vibha, and today we have a beautiful meditation practice called Yoga Nidra for deep relaxation. I hope you are wearing something comfortable because we are going to lie down now. So let's begin. Lie down comfortably on the floor, over a mat, or on the bed. Feet are comfortably apart, hands about 6 inches away from the body, palms facing upwards. Slowly close your eyes. Tune into your body and gently scan the body from the top of your head to the tip of your toes to gently ease any tension. Let the back of your head rest on the mat or on the bed so that there is no tightness or tension in the back of your neck. As you tune into the body, become aware of all the points of the body that are touching the mat or the bed. Slowly release the bodies onto those points, spreading those points of contact to cover more and more of your body. Now, we are consciously going to relax the body from the tip of the toes to the top of the head. Let's begin. Spread the toes and relax the toes. Relax the feet. Relax your ankles. Relax your calves. Relax the back of your knees. Relax the thighs. Relax the hip. Relax your lower back. Relax your middle back. Relax the upper back. Relax the back of your head. Relax the top of your head. Now we are going to relax the face. Soften the forehead. Soften the eyebrows. Soften your eyelids. Relax your cheekbones. Relax the jaw. Soften the lips. Soften the tongue. Soften the throat. Gently melt the area around the heart so the back of your heart can rest on the mat or the bed. Feel the breath moving effortlessly like the waves of the ocean at the surface of your body. Keeping your back in mind, your back which is supported by the mat or the bed. Imagine your back to be your past. Release the past into the bed or the mat. Imagine the front of your body to be the future. Soften the front. Tuning into the breath as the breath moves up and down. This is the present. Stay in the present. As your body begins to relax, the firing of the nerves slows down. Breath becomes effortless and natural. Allow your mind to rest in the space that you have created for yourself. Take a deep breath in to return back to the body. Gently turn your head from ear to ear. Gently curl and uncurl your fingers. Move your toes up and down. We are going to keep our eyes closed till we are sitting upright. As you take another breath in, bring your feet together and your hands together. Inhale and stretch the body as much as you can. As you exhale, relax. Once more, inhale. Keep your eyes closed. Turn to a comfortable side and slowly sit up with the support of your forehand and your palm. Take another breath as you sit up. When you are ready to come out, gently warm your palms by rubbing them together. Cover your eyes. Under the warm, dark hollows of your palms, gently blink your eyelids open. Bring your palms back to your knees, watching the space in front of your ankles to give yourself a little bit more time. Welcome back. I hope you feel much more relaxed and refreshed. You can now fall asleep if it's night, or you can begin your day feeling fresh. Thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned for another episode of Wellness with Vibha, where we continue our journey to developing a deeper and more loving connection with ourselves. See you.